Hi, this is Ann from ducttapeanddenim.com. Today we are going to be making a windmill Christmas ornament. Like I said, this is going to be really simple. It's going to take I could probably do this in 60 seconds if I really rushed. But I'm not going to do that. First, I'm just going to show you what we're going to use to make this ornament. We're using these metal pieces. We get these cut for us and they're available in our online shop. You can go to ducttapeanddenim.com/supplies to see this and all of our other rustic craft supplies. You are going to need some glue, and I use E6000. Y'all know I use this for a lot of different projects. It says industrial strength on there, and this stuff will stick. You can use hot glue or other kinds of glue if you wanted, but I'll just tell you the hot glue will probably not last very long. You need some kind of rhinestone buttons, or if you just wanted to use a regular button, you can do that. I was using vintage rhinestone buttons for a long time, and in the past few years it's been getting harder and harder to find. So I think I bought these on eBay actually, and they're not vintage, they are reproductions. So then you're going to need some string. Look, I got this jute from the Dollar Tree, or you can use some kind of a baker's twine with different Christmas colors if you want, or you can just use regular string or whatever. Today we're going to use the jute because I think that has more of a farmhouse look. And then you need something to punch holes with, and of course scissors to cut the string. This is what I'm using today to punch holes. This is pretty heavy duty, so you don't really need something this heavy. But since this is what I have, it's what I'm going to use. And first of all, you're going to punch a hole in this because it's easier to punch a hole while it's still flat before you bend it. And I'm just going to pick a random fan blade and punch a hole about halfway in the middle. And then this metal is pretty thin, so that was easy. You don't need anything that heavy duty, but that's what I had out, so that's what I'm going to use. Next, I'm going to turn each of these blades about a quarter of a turn. Alright, so see how easy that was? And it actually looks like a windmill. And then I'll lay it down, kind of make sure all the fan blades are touching. It's pretty straight. So next I'm going to get my button. These have a little shank on them, but this is not going to matter because there's a hole in the middle. See right there where I'm going to put it? So the shank of the button can fit right in that hole. We try to do a Facebook Live every Tuesday and Thursday afternoon at 3 o'clock Central. We're on a Christmas ornament kick. Yes, even though it's November. Now I'm just going to pull out some jute, cut it off. This is pretty thin. It says 3-ply, but you can tell it's pretty narrow. And I'm going to thread it through here. You could use a hanger if you wanted, but this is just so easy, and it's kind of farmhousey, if that's a word. And I'm making these today because I'm taking stuff to our shop in Waco tomorrow, and I don't have any of these there, so I thought, well, I better get some made. And there you go, that's it. See what I mean about how easy that is? I could literally probably do that in 60 seconds. These are the ones we sell in our online shop. ducttapeanddenim.com/supplies is where you can get them. So I got 3 done in just a few minutes. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting and sharing, because as I tell y'all every time, that's just a way that y'all can support us even without buying anything, is if you make comments and share our stuff. It helps other people see it, and we appreciate that. So y'all have a great day and a great weekend, and thanks for watching. Bye.